Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I've been doing exhaust system for my car about a week or so, but I'm gonna show you briefly what it looks like now. And here we go. This is the co-driver's side and it's already done except the O2 sensor. This is not welded because I have to look how to turn this so it won't hit anywhere. And these are the racing catalyst converters because of the Finnish road regulations. They are needed when swapping an fuel injected motor, so they are mandatory. And here's the X pipe system, and there goes this. They are flow through silencers. So, and I made my own custom exhaust bracket. I just welded piece of iron in here, and this is rubber bushing, and also same in the other side. And then there's cutouts. You can remove the rear section of the pipes and these will still remain. And also in here are going to put exhaust clamps so you can remove the front ones, so you don't have to dismantle the whole exhaust piping. And this is how it looks in the rear. I decided to take the pipes under the axle because of the airbags. I didn't have any room between the floor and the rear, so I decided to do it this way. But I have full travel, so I can lift the whole system as high as it goes, and it won't hit anything. And also when in driving height, the exhaust is in the same height as are the four-link. I think this is about drive height. They are the same height as the four-link connectors in there, so quite nice. And these are just, I haven't cut those out because I don't have the exhaust tips. I don't know how far back they are gonna come, but this is how it looks now. I'm gonna remove everything after I have done this driver's side. My friend is still welding the pipes. I had a little problem with them hitting in this steering box, so my friend customized them a little bit, but that's gonna look like same as the co-driver's side. So, and everything in here is under the frame, so nothing sticks out under the frame. So if something is gonna hit, it's gonna hit the frame first, or maybe this four-link system in here, but not the exhaust or anything other. So I think that's gonna be sweet. You don't have to worry about hitting anything or damaging the exhaust pipes. But that's how it looks now, and I'm gonna have to tear everything apart after I have made the exhaust and paint the frame and the paint the rear section, etc. And then I can put it all back together for the final time. And also I think I'm gonna do electric emergency brakes in this car, but that's something I have to consider because of the law system in Finland. I'm not sure is that even possible in here or not, but that's another episode. Bye for now.